I've spent 6.5 years with Livewire. I often describe myself as an integrator. I'm personalizing or tailoring solutions to you. Audio, video solutions, lighting control, window treatments. I think that Charlottesville has a lot to offer. Checks a lot of the boxes. Kind of got a little bit of everything going on. Farmington is an awesome country club in Charlottesville. It's a wicked great establishment that loves to stay on top. I've done a countless amount of projects there. They're always innovating, bringing in something new, and just making the space great for their guests. They care about the way that it looks. It has to match the space. There's a room in there that was designed by Thomas Jefferson.
Livewire put in these James loudspeakers, color matched to the wall colors. Every space as you walk through the clubhouse are actually different wall colors, wallpapers even, and so we were able to match or hide speakers in every single location and have them be invisible to that space. You don't know it's there, but it just works. Working with Livewire, I really found it to be a wonderful experience. They're going to produce great results.
I think that some of the best technology is the technology that you don't see. Automation is how all of these things just do it because they know. We want to put in great technology that is simple to use to create an experience or solution, if you will. It's a good day, man, when I can do my part and really deliver on what I promised the customer.